Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is 64-bit architecture is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you're new, be clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin guys. What is 64-bit architecture? A 64-bit architecture can handle data in chunks of 64 bits at a time, which allows it to address significantly more memory compared to a 32-bit system. A 64-bit system can theoretically address up to 18.4 million terabytes of memory. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is 64-bit architecture is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.